Yes, I'm ready, I'm ready,
Well, we
I'm
go,
ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
we go.
Let's go.
Your final destination?
No, Hong Kong. Hiya.
Hi. Where's off to today?
Hong Kong.
Via Dubai then, yeah.
Yeah.
So everything is self-service. Breakfast is just about finished just now and it's going to swap over to the lunch serving, okay?
Okay.
And let me just have a quick overlook. Alison, where are you at? Still on breakfast just now? Still on breakfast just now?
She will.
So it's the last of the breakfast. It's the last of the breakfast this Saudi will be.
I don't drink, but...
So that those vouchers there, 4 alcoholic drinks each per person,
Okay.
and you help yourself to food there.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
You've got a long flight ahead of you.
Thank you. We're in the upper deck lounge in Glasgow Airport. Our view.
I'm just texting my brother.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light, the flick.
You ready to board the plane?
Chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air.
We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates flight, and we need your full attention. Your baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead lockers.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
When you're nearly there. Are we? We are nearly there. Well, first flight anyway. One down, one to go.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
What you doing?
Waiting in the next flight.
One down, one to go.
You tired now?
Yeah, me too. Just like to go to sleep. Anyway, not long.
Not long.
I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer.
Last flight. I'm just looking forward to getting to bed.
Yes, me too.
I think I might be going for a sleep on this flight.
I think we'll both be going for a wee sleep.
I've already pulled my head, like these molds around your head and hold them. This one does this well, it's just because I'm using my right arm, I can't show you my head. So you're like,
My point.
was when the video is taken off. However, this is the view out the window.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dead. I smell your breath,
Turbulence.
but I still hear you screaming.
No, you're still in turbulence.
Step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like fun, and the clouds are close.
What cute. Here comes the food.
Say I know this,
Food.
the last days of your life I've noticed.
It's bleach.
I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than
North on, Hyatt Centric. Okay, do you have $100?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Thank you. So for information, keep it. For information.
Oh, right,
So for
thank
your reference. Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
個
Thank
碼
you.
頭間可以上水，就係水。不過碼頭間啊，可以上水啊，上水。哎，好啦。
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
We'll just put that one in here. I'll just take this in. I'll take this one in. Thank you.
Big ones in the boot.
Okay, be careful.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
Okay,
you
you
very
can
much.
enter, you can enter. Let me.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. Hi.
It's not heavy, that one.
Just from Disneyland. How long to queue? To take picture? How long you queue?
No, not really.
Not really.
Oh, really?
It's
Okay.
Disney World, so it's like there's lots of if you're careful where you meet the characters, then
Where is it? In
Florida.
Florida.
oh, Florida.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it's in Hong Kong.
Yeah, no, we're going to that one this week. Oh, sorry. Hi. We've got a reservation under Claire Allison.
Take it out.
Okay.
So your room arranged on the 21st floor
Wow.
in the West Tower.
I think it must be that one. $2107. $2107. It's this. This is very nice. Wow. This is the Hyatt Centric North Point, Hong Kong. It's a twin room. Plug at both sides of the bed. A coffee machine and a kettle. Ooh, and some water. Look at the coffee pots!
Oh, good.
I think this might be a fridge. Is it? Oh, it's an empty fridge. We should put water in it. Oh, and a pen. Oh, look. Oh, Mum, you're looking comfortable. And look at the view. Isn't that amazing? And then the television. Oh, yeah, Mum. It's in for an interesting shower. Bye. That's better. Bye. And then we've got a wardrobe, which I believe, well, it's got a safe, and it's got dressing gowns, and it's got slippers. Not sure what that is. And then we'll go into the bathroom, which I actually haven't been into. Ooh, fancy. Mirror, glasses, nice sink, and look at all these amenities. Toothbrush, vanity kit, toothpaste, shower cap. Some wee drawers. Oh, a hairdryer. And then a shower. I take it you put the thing back up.
Yes, I did.
Just checking. So yes, we have, is it called a club room access? So we get snacks, drinks, breakfast, canopies, all sorts included. So yes, we're here for 4 nights.
That's cool.
And
yes, club guests.
there we go. So we've just arrived at the Hyatt Hong Kong, and I'm sitting in our bedroom, in our hotel room. This is the view. Isn't that awesome? Yay! Look at that view. What are you doing?
Texting down as well. You going for a pudding?
Are you?
I'm going to have some pineapple.
You enjoyed that?
Cheers. Here's to Hong Kong. Here's to Hong Kong. Wee glass of Prosecco.
I don't think you can see it. This is going to be stunning when it's dark. Our room view. Hong Kong. Hong Kong? Where's that Kowloon?
That's Kowloon.
Kowloon.
Get me the pen back.
If
No ifs, no buts, you'll get it back.
you promise.
I promise.
Promise?
I promise you'll get the pen back.
Fully working immediately.
Fully working immediately, whatever it takes, and you can have it back. After I've run the England.